Hello guys, good morning. So today we're gonna discuss about the very first topic of additional maths, which is set language and notation. Question number one, it says A, B, and C are subsets of the universal set, where A subset B, A intersection C equals to null, B intersection C is not equal to null, and C is not a subset of B. Show one way in which the set A and C can be added to the Venn diagram. This is 2 marks in the exam, and we can see this diagram here given in the question. Okay, so when we see this question, what shall come in our mind? What should be the thinking process? So I'm going to write here thinking process for this topic, set language and notation. For this question, thinking process. Thinking process. What we need to think when we see this question. Okay, so first, to find A, we consider A subset of B. A subset of B. To find C, we consider A intersection C equals to null, comma, B intersection C is not equal to null, and C is not a subset of B. Okay, let's talk about solution now. So will be the diagram given as this. This is our universal set. And then this one is B. So we have to find where we need to draw A and C. So our A is here and C is intersecting with B here. So now, if we say that A is subset of B, what does it mean? It means all members of A are also members of B. Members of B. If we say A intersection C equals to null, what does it mean? It means A and C do not have members in common. Okay. And if we say B intersection C is not equals to null, so it means B and C have members in common. C is not a subset of B. It means There are some members of C which are not also members B.